you have this, one of the main things you can do to really get the most out of it and optimize your feed to get traffic over to your listing is making sure you have great content. So, like any other type of social media, it's all about the content. If you're just showing, maybe it's just a polished image or another polished image of your product, it could be boring. And, you'll see it right away. So, what you can do is experiment. First of all, when you go back, let's go back to posting an image. When you go in and you try to post an image the first time, it's going to ask you for an image size. Well, you have a selection of having it square, 16 by 9 or 4 by 3. Mix those up and mix them up with the content. So content being, you could have a polished image, a product shot that looks, incredible, which might be on a white background. It might be in let's take a knife, for example. It could be in a kitchen. Then you can have candid shots. So these are shots that you might get influencers to take, or you might be running a contest where you're asking people to tag you on Instagram and you have those images. It could be people that are just using your product and sending you images that show them in the workplace using it. I know for us, we sent them out to chefs. So we had chefs take a picture with the knife and send it over to us. And that went over really well. We also asked the chefs if they had any accreditations, and they showed us at graduation or if they had some awards that they would post it, and we would congratulate them. We also did recipes. So if you're in the kitchen, again, I'm just using kitchen, but it could be for anything, recipes. So every Monday or every Friday, people get used to taking a look at recipes. And the beautiful part about the post is it shows your brand, it shows an incredible, beautiful image, and then underneath it, you have a caption that could be 2 sentences long, but it could hold up to 2,200 characters. So put a recipe there. Just get people engaging into your content. That's what it's all about. The other thing you can do is take a look at features and benefits of your product. You can cross promote. Let's say that you have different dog products. You can show that you have the different dog products on a post. You can talk about the benefits of those different dog products. The other type of post that you can create, or not post that you can create, but content, it's going to Instagram using an app like Repost and going to those people that have tagged you, downloading it, and then uploading it into Amazon Posts. So it's very simple. There's all sorts of apps out there. The one that we use is called Repost. So typically you just want to mix everything up. Now, you're not, at least I haven't seen people asking questions or surveys. I don't think that Amazon's allowing that. But I am seeing people that use their EBC content. We do that as well. Even your product listing information. Let's say you have lifestyle images or you do have the features and the benefits. Go for it.